Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing jerk barbecue pork. So first things first, we wash our meat. After we wash our meat, you can pat it dry and then you apply your seasonings. The seasonings that I'm putting are my go-to for when I'm making pork, and the star of the show is the jerk seasoning. I'm pointing out that it's hot and spicy. You do have the regular version that is not as spicy, but it still has a kick because jerk is also a little bit a fusion of like pepper blends, so be mindful of that. And I'm just making sure that the meat is saturated with the seasoning, and I'll pop it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes based on the time. If you only have like 10 minutes, that works, because you just want the seasonings to really penetrate into the meat. And I normally put a plastic wrap over it so it doesn't dry out the meat. And this is what it looks like about like an hour 30 minutes into the oven. It springs its own juices. And a cheat code to make your meat cook faster is to boil it on the stove top. And when you boil it, you can boil it for like 30 to 40 minutes, then you season it. But that method, it can be dangerous because you are dealing with hot meat. However, it's way quicker. So if it's Thanksgiving, if it's Christmas, if you have guests coming over and you need something quick, I would recommend that method. You just have to be very careful. Excuse my stovetop. I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking, so it's not the cleanest. So on the stovetop, when your meat is about to be done, about like 15 to 30 minutes before taking the meat out of the oven, you put on your sauce. So my sauce consists of, the fusion of jerk seasonings, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and you can add a little bit of orange. If you have not just orange, you can put some orange juice. You can put a little dab of pineapple juice, just a little bit. I'm telling you, flavor goes a long way. Some sweet chili, very, very delicious. And if you have like lemon or lime and you want to add a little bit of that tangy flavor, absolutely, I would recommend a little. You definitely need to stir so that the mixture is blended and not clumped, because especially with like the ketchup and the barbecue sauce, they're thicker consistency, so when they go in the pot they tend to, especially on heat, it will want to stick to the bottom with the sugar content. So I let it boil for about an extra 2 minutes, and this is what the sauce looked like when I poured it onto the jerk pork. So this is my barbecue jerk pork, and this took me estimated like 2 hours. I promise you, with you boiling your pork, it will definitely save you time in the kitchen as well as with the prep time for cooking it. And I hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.